Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Helpdesk plugin on a Bitnami Stack installed on the Linux operating system. So, the very first thing that you have to do is to start your Bitnami Stack Redmine. It is done via the following file. This is Linux Manager run file. You have to just double click. Okay, so here on the Manage Servers tab, you have to click on both Start All. So we see that now the MySQL database as well the web server are now correctly running. Okay, so just let's go and check. We have to wait a couple of seconds because Redmine is starting for the first time after Bitnami is being started, so it just takes a couple of seconds. Okay, so we see that by now there are two plugins installed, Agile and Contacts. Please make a note that the Contacts plugin is required for the helpdesk to be able to work. However, the light free version is enough for this purpose, and it could be downloaded from our site RedmineUP.com. So I'm going to show it to you now. You have to just enter your email here and it will be sent there automatically and instantly. Okay, so let's continue further. When you have started your Bitnami Stack Redmine, then you have to open your command line and then navigate to the directory itself. And here you have to execute the use Redmine file in the following way. It is /use Redmine. So now we are into Redmine. Now you have to change the directory to the core Redmine folder, then apps Redmine htdocs. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to just download your helpdesk plugin file, which is located in your license manager. So when you download it, then you have to unzip it first and then enter the inner folder, and here the Redmine Contacts helpdesk folder, you have to copy it and then return back into the Redmine folder, and here you have to enter apps Redmine htdocs plugins, and here you have to paste it. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to execute bundle install. This is going to install the required gems. Okay, so the next command that you have to execute is, just a second please. So the next command is the migration command. Here the important thing is that into the name section you have to put the plugin's name, which in our case is Redmine Contacts Helpdesk. Okay, so we are waiting and we see that the migration is now done. And the very last thing that you have to do is to just restart both Redmine processes here, the database and the server. So we click on restart all and just wait a couple of seconds until they have been restored. So we are almost done. Yeah, now they are restarted. So we just refresh our page here and wait a couple of seconds because restarting is taking some time as well here on the browser. So we see that the Helpdesk plugin has just arrived and we are successfully done with our job. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.